Human history is replete with myths about demons and other terrifying creatures that come to our world and destroy civilization. But what can science say about zombies? Could these bloodthirsty monsters exist, and how can they be explained scientifically? Should we prepare for a zombie apocalypse? Well, the question is, what kind of zombies are we talking about? Dying and rising from the dead is unlikely. But a virus that creates typical zombies, frantic, thirsty for human flesh, is hypothetically possible. The main thing is to find a virus that targets the specific areas of the brain responsible for these symptoms while leaving the rest of the brain intact. Viruses can enter the body and change cells in different ways, but we'll be talking about neurons. Neurons are the longest cells in humans and can transport molecules and proteins throughout the body. Some viruses, like rabies, use a mechanism called retrograde axonal transport to move from the site of infection to wherever they want. In the case of rabies, the virus can insert itself anywhere and then slowly move toward the brain or nerve centers. And the further from the head it starts, the longer it takes to get there, sometimes years. But once it arrives, it's too late to drink Borjomi. Many viruses exploit this trick. The only difference is which neurons they target. A zombie virus must target specific neurons to attack specific parts of the brain and cause zombification without consuming your brain in the process. Sound far-fetched? Well, it's not. It turns out that the olfactory cranial nerve, which exits the nose and senses smells, leads to precisely those parts of the brain needed for zombie transformation, and only to them. What is it connected to? To the ventromedial hypothalamus, the satiety center, to the amygdala, which controls emotions and memory, and to the frontal lobes, which are responsible for logic, conscience, and inhibition of impulsive actions. So a virus that attacks the